Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel CAD by Pooja. So in today's video we are going to design a 4-way PVC junction box, which is also sometimes known as an intersection box. So before getting started with the construction, what we are gonna check first is our unit system. So I usually prefer MMGS, so my unit system is already set on MMGS, but if you want any other unit system you can always select from here. So now the unit system is done. I'm gonna select the top plane, sketch, and I'm gonna create a circle that is going to be the main body of the junction box. And for dimension, I'm gonna enter 65 mm as the diameter value. So once that is done, I'm gonna go to the features, extruded boss base, and the total depth I'm gonna give it 35 mm. And here I'm gonna select mid plane as I want it to be extruded equally in both the direction. So 35 mm. Okay. Now I'm gonna select front plane to construct the conduits. So sketch. Now select circle, create a circle here, and for the dimension enter 20 mm as the diameter value. So once that is done, go to the features again, extruded boss base, keep it mid plane as we want it to be extruded in both the directions, and the value is going to be 105 mm here. Okay, click OK. So once that is done, I'm going to select circular pattern. For direction, I'm going to select this. Angle, I'm going to keep it 90 degree. Number of instances to call pattern 2. And features, I'm going to select this one. Okay. Now that is done. Now we are going to shell it. Select shell. Give the thickness of 1 mm to it. Now we are going to select the faces we want to be removed. Select the top face, these 4 faces, and once the selection is done, click OK. So see, our body is created. Now select top plane, sketch, and select center line. And this sketch we are doing to create the screw insert, so make 2 center lines like this. Select smart dimension and get the angle of 55 degrees. Okay, good. Now we are gonna select circle, create 2 circles, and for dimensions, outer circle is going to be of 6 mm diameter and inner circle is of 3 mm diameter. Okay, once that is done, select the inner wall of the junction box and this outer circle which is created, tangent. Okay, now select line, start from anywhere you want, and the end point should be on the inner wall of the junction box. So once that is done, select the line and this center line parallel. Again select the line and this outer circle, tangent. Okay, now select mirror entities, and this is the entity we want to mirror, and mirror about this. So once that is done, select this inner wall of the junction box, convert entities. Okay, now we are gonna remove all the unwanted entities, starting with this part, this circle, trim this one, this section, and the extended part of these lines. Okay, we are done here. So now select this line and this arc, give them the relation tangent. See, now our sketch is fully defined. Now we are going to go to the extruded boss base, and this case I don't want to keep it mid plane, though I want it to extrude it in both the direction, but different depth. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna select offset from surface, and this is the surface. I don't want this extruded part to be touching the surface. I want it to be a little below it. So the offset is going to be 3 mm, and for the direction 2, I want the extruded part to touch this bottom surface of the junction box. So for that I'm gonna select up to next, or you can also select up to surface and select that surface. Once the selection has been made, click OK. Then circular pattern, this is the direction, angle is going to be 360 degrees, and number of instances 4. See, now our junction box is fully ready. So you can always add the appearance from here. You can select appearances from here also, or you can directly select from here if you want if you just want to add color. So I'm gonna select white and OK. So now my junction box is ready, as you can see. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.